Describing my family by Tatiana Lopez Ávila. Personal presentation. My name is Tatiana Lopez Ávila. I am 23 years old. I am from Lorica. I am live in San Gabriel neighborhood. I am dedicated to serving the clients of Electrical Company. My hobby is to go floor and five. I live with my husband and dog Sophia. I study at National Open, my name Open and Distant University. My favorite series is Bolivar, and my favorite is Sport Baseball. My family. My mother name is Felicidad Ávila. She has wife. She is from Lorica. My mother is very and kind affectionate. She is short. Her are brown and she has black hair. My husband's name is Carlos Pardo. House to 20 years old. He is from Lorica. His nature is very sociable. He is short. Thank you.